Hello everyone, I am Biki Paul. I am studying BTech first year in University of Engineering and Management. Mm, I learn a recently I learned a course machine learning using Python from Skylabs online platform. Skylabs is one of the best online platform to learn new online courses. Mm, My project is the machine learning using Python. Let's go from my project.
For completion of my project, I have used a platform called Anaconda Navigator platform. Here I have used the Jupyter notebook for completion of my whole entire code. Let's go into the deep. This is how the Jupyter notebook looks like. And in the first cell, I have imported all the required libraries for my project. First, I need to conclude have taken an housing prediction of a Boston housing prediction example problem, and based upon the Boston's problem I have done my project. So these are the libraries required for completion of my project. This is a NumPy, imported NumPy as MP, and I have imported pandas as PD, matplotlib, matplotlib animation, and then dataset. On first step I have imported the data set. This is the process of getting the Boston data set. This is a Boston house price data set, which consists of 506 data sets, 13 attributes, and one target feature. It consists of the 506 rows and 13 columns. So here, uh, this is the attribute information. We have having the many attributes. So some of them are here. For each attribute there will be a separate price for them, so we need to find the for each single attribute what is the price of the house. We need to find all the things, and then next we have putting all the things into a frame format. This is how we will keep all the things in the frame format, and we can also display these things individually. This is the thing what I have did here. I have displayed here one age, and also I have displayed one other some other. Then next I have displayed the target from. Then next I have shown the minimum and maximum values for the target, and then I have entered into the concatenation thing and shown the concatenation of the thing. And then next I have entered into data visualization to show the correlation between the every attribute and target. For every attribute and target we need to show some correlation between them. For that I need entered this code and I have run this. So this is how the graph looks like. So just a slight change I have did here. I have removed the absolution, and if I keep the absolution and run the program, the program run all below. So I have added the absolution here, and then the graph looks like this. Highest prediction price and the lowest prediction price of the Bosons, and then enter into normalization of the data, generating unevenly spaced values from 0 radians. This is how this the curve shows like this. And for this curve I added the noisy function. So the red color marks indicates the noisy things on them. Then calculating the mean squared error of the given problem, and splitting of the data, and then entering the mean squared error. Mm, in mean squared error we have the error function, update function, gradient descent function. So for each function there is a respective code for them that is derived from the formula of mean squared error. So this is derived from the formula, and this also, and the same here. And then next we enter, and then we have got the sloping of the curve is moving in the direction. And next to visualization of the part, in this here we will make some animation part. So here the graph will scatter slight from one point deviation. It shows some one just a deviation. This is how it looks. And in final step, prediction of the prices, and this is how it predicts the values. This shows like this the target and the predictive ix. So the graph has plotted like this, and then revert normalization and reshaping of the array. This is what it looks the entire project, and this is how what I have done on machine learning using machine learning Python. So thanks for Skyfi Labs. Thank you.